Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I am going to make a short video answering a question that you have left me. Is it worth adding additives to the particulate filter? Let's see. The best additive that you can add to a particulate filter is to have the vehicle, if you make short trips and low revolutions, at least once a week, put the vehicle above 3000 revolutions per minute, at least half an hour. That is what it is going to do, is that the temperature of the particulate filter is maintained above 600 degrees and the vehicle's ECU will take advantage of it to burn what is inside, to decompose. At that temperature, the soot particles that are inside the particulate filter and thus can carry out regeneration. I'm telling you that this test is better than throwing additives around because the particulate filter is getting clogged and you're getting a fault on the dashboard. Let's see, why do vehicle brands, especially the PSA group, use other additives? This one you see in the photo is one of them. This is because according to the studies they have done, most people use the vehicle in short trips and at low revolutions, with which the anti-particulate filter cannot make a correct regeneration. Then this, what it does, is break down the soot particles that are inside the anti-particle filter, so that those 600 degrees of temperature are not needed and half would be enough for them to break down. But I'm telling you, that the most economical, and it will make your particulate filter or catalytic converter last much longer, is, once a week, at least once a week, to take it for half an hour above 3000 revolutions. That is going to do, not only clean the anti-particulate filter, but also clean it from the cylinder itself, through the vehicles you have, which have a turbocharger. It will also eliminate part of that dirt. It will prevent, on everything, that they can be obstructed, especially the turbos that have variable geometry. Even, as I say, the anti-particle filter, which will be able to eliminate much of what is inside, because it will burn it and then it can be expelled and it will prevent clogging. Notice that it is a very simple and quite cheap way, almost free, to clean the anti-particulate filter without having to add additives later, because an excessive amount of soot has already been concentrated inside and then, it is already they need external help, let's say, from force generations and sometimes add additives to clean it from the inside. Well, here you have this video. If it has been useful to you, do not forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel.